Good afternoon again on this Tuesday. What's turned out to be a really nice Tuesday. Plenty of sunshine to go around. Temperatures warming up a little bit more than what we did yesterday. This morning, though, cold to chilly start. 30s out there, even some frosty conditions. Places down here freezing, especially in northeastern North Texas. Tomorrow morning will be kind of a cool to chilly start, but basically right where we should be this time of the year. Normal lows 49. I got us about 49, 50 from Fort Worth to Dallas. You head outside of kind of immediate DFW, mostly down in the mid to upper 40s, although maybe some low 40s across northeastern North Texas. So a good idea to grab the jacket tomorrow morning, but much like today, won't need it tomorrow afternoon. Close to normal, 72 for the high, a little bit warmer than today. Thursday, we take a bit of a dip because we'll talk about this in a second. Some cloud cover and some rain will be out there on Thursday. Then we dry out and temperatures warm up a little bit, headed toward the weekend, but it's not like it's crazy above normal. In fact, this time of the year, 70s are normal. Normal high is 70 to 71 as we head through the weekend. Let's talk about your rain chances next couple days. Nothing happens tonight. Nothing really happens during the day tomorrow evening. Just some passing clouds. Late in the day, probably increasing clouds. We'll call it partly cloudy tomorrow. Clouds really return tomorrow night, and there you go. A little shower activity to start the day on Thursday. Kind of some on and off rain and storms during the day. There's noon, maybe a bit of a lull at times, and then a little rainy at times, so it's not going to rain all day long in every single square inch of North Texas, but some passing showers and storms are possible. The good news is, even if you do see thunderstorms, really don't have much of a severe weather threat for you. It's just potentially some heavy downpours, maybe some small hail, some pea-sized hail here or there. And then everything tries to move out as we head through the day on Friday, although to start the day on Friday, there could still be a few spotty showers around. There's your severe weather threat. It's a 1 on a scale of 5, so as low as it gets on the scale for southern North Texas and mostly down into central Texas, which means the majority of you do not have a severe weather threat on Thursday. As I said, any thunderstorms, some heavy rain, some lightning, maybe some small hail, but remember what makes a storm severe is you have to have up to quarter-sized hail and wind gusts stronger than 58 miles an hour. I don't have, even in that 1 on a scale of 5, I don't have much of that in the forecast. It's just not impossible for southern areas during the day on Thursday. Quarter, maybe 3/4 of an inch with the rain. Not guaranteed that every single square inch of North Texas is going to see that, but that's what you could see if you find yourself underneath some storms. Western North Texas, maybe a little lower totals with maybe a little higher totals for eastern areas. But it's not our only chance of some decent rain. Another round happens Sunday night and into Monday. And when we total kind of those two events together, it's maybe 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain across most of the area. Some higher totals east, lower totals west. And so what's already been an above normal month in terms of rainfall looks like we'll continue only to add to that as we head through the next really 7 days, because rain Wednesday night into Thursday and then another round Sunday night into Monday. So over the next week, we could see another 1 to 1.5 inches of rain across the area. Light winds and seasonable tonight, though, and 50 will be your low. Tomorrow, breezy and warmer. 72 for the high. As we talked about, little rain, little cloud cover on Thursday keeps the high of around 60. It's also a Mavs game right here on WFAA this upcoming Thursday. After that Thursday, you got to wait until, the following Friday to find your next Mavs game, which would also be Good Friday as well. We talked about the rain and storm chances that early part of that following week. Right now, I have most of your Easter Sunday dry, although we'll be watching another disturbance that could bring some rain for Easter Sunday and into the following Monday. Of course, that's a ways out, so we'll fine-tune those details as we get closer, but wouldn't surprise me maybe if a little rain's around, because things have been just kind of every 3, 4, 5 days or so we've been seeing rain, and that looks to continue through the end of the month.